how to convert your Wix website to HTML step-by-step guide. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new Wix tutorial where I will be showing you how you can convert your Wix website to HTML. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Wix.com and you can create a website. So if you're already creating a website, then your dashboard will look something like this, and you can go to my sites and you will be able to see the sites that you have. So I'm just going to click on go to all sites, and it will take me to my main dashboard where we have all of our websites. So this is where firstly you're going to select the website that you want to convert to HTML. Now we know that with Wix, because we work with the very simple editor and it does not work with HTML, but some people might want to convert this website into HTML. So we can do that, but at the same time, it's not very easy, or it's not very clear. There's not just one option. There are actually different ways you can do so. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the website that you want to work on, and you're going to click on Edit Site. In order to convert a website to HTML, you will have to make sure that the website is published, because you will see, let me take you to the editor first, and I'll show you that there is an option of published or unpublished. So we're going to actually click on design site so that it takes us to the editor. Okay, perfect. So this is our website right here. And here at the top, you can see we have the publish option. So if I click on publish, now this website will be published. And now you can see it has our link as well, and we can view the site. Click on view site and it will take you to your Wix website. Okay, and this is what it looks like. If I take you back to the editor, you'll be able to see that now we have the publish, then you will have the unpublished option, and then you will get like view site option. You can see right here, we have the view site or unpublished, but we're going to go to the website that we have already created. So now you're going to click anywhere on your website, and then you're going to actually scroll down to inspect. Once you click on inspect, then it will take you to the details of your website. And this is where you will be getting your HTML code for your website. You can see all of the HTMLs are given here. Now, what we need to do is we actually have to manually download the codes, and we have to manually now edit everything here, because Wix does not allow us coding as we would want, or if you are a professional, you will have to do it. So if you want to create an HTML website, and if you're not familiar with coding and you're not a pro, then you can actually use simply ChatGPT. So what we do now is that, for example, if you don't have any idea about how to write the HTML code, or how does that work, or how to edit, so you can just simply go to ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT, because this is one of the ways that I saw a lot of people doing this way, that they created an HTML website, or they converted their Wix to HTML with the help of ChatGPT. So what we will ask ChatGPT is we can actually go ahead and give a prompt to ChatGPT by asking it to create a HTML website page for Wix. So let's see what it will do for us. Now you can see right here that it's giving me the basic HTML web page for Wix that I can embed. Now this is how easy it is. I don't even have to kind of like write the HTML myself. I can do that now. And what happens is that we can add the custom HTMLs to, remember, to Wix Willow development platform, not to Wix directly. So what we can now do is we can actually copy this. It has added me. So it says go to the Wix editor, go to add embed code, and you can embed the HTML. Now this is to embed the HTML, but if you want to convert a page, then you will actually have to use the developer, and you can actually ask ChatGPT to even like convert your Wix page to an HTML, and you can ask it for the help. How to embed the HTML code? Well, that's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is you just copy, and you can go to your Wix website where you're editing the website. You're going to go ahead and click on add elements. And in elements, you're going to scroll down to find HTML. Here, you can see it says embed code. So in embed code, you have the HTML. You can see embed HTML, add widgets and apps to your site using HTML code. Now you can manually add different widgets to a page to completely create an HTML page. That's actually one of the ways we also do it. So what I can do now is I'm going to actually go to the pages here, and I'm going to create a brand new page. So we're going to click on add page, and I'm going to actually create a blank page to show you that we can create everything all of the different sections of the page will be with HTML. So this way you will have an HTML page. I'm going to call it the test HTML page. Click on done and we're going to open it up. So you can see this is what it looks like. Now I can add anything here. I'm going to click on add elements and we're going to go to embed the HTML. And this is where we will embed the code that ChatGPT just provided me. We're going to go here, we're going to copy, and we're going to come back to our website and we're going to paste. And you can see it's added here. I'm going to click on update and then you will see that the code will be embedded right here. So it says, welcome to my site. See, this is like the header that we have created here. This is an embed HTML selection inside the Wix. And we even have a button here and we can edit the code anytime. We have our settings and more. So we're going to keep it here. Now I can, of course, edit the website with my basic editor that I have on Wix. You can check out the other videos on the channel on how to use the Wix editor and you will see how we can customize the background and everything. So this is how we have embedded this. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Let's say I want to create another section so I can again get the HTML code instead of adding the elements directly from Wix editor. So this way I will actually have this test page created. Now with Wix, we actually have another interesting thing is that if you go to pages and let's say that you've created this new page, that the one we just created, the test HTML. So even with the pages now, we actually have a new option, which is convert to dynamic page. So you cannot directly convert your, Wix page to your, HTML, but you can actually convert it into a dynamic page, which is a new way where we have different pages with the similar layout, but they have the different, content, but the content base is similar. So you can actually check out the dynamic pages as well if you're looking for something more professional and you want to work with, something that you don't have to edit every time, or you want to do bulk editing, then you can actually check out this convert to dynamic page and you can convert your page into dynamics so that you can actually have that professional look to your website. So yeah, this is the only way we can convert a Wix page to an HTML. Maybe you can actually create a new HTML page with Wix, or you can actually change your Wix to your dynamic. There is no direct button to convert your Wix website to HTML. If you're looking for your code or HTML code, then you can actually get it very easily from your inspect website option. And then this is where you will get all of the coding for your website that is already there. And this is going to be your HTML decoded here. You can also download this website separately, download this data and create a CSV file, and then you can upload it and convert it into an HTML. But for that, you will need a very deep insights into coding. But if you don't have any idea about coding, then you can use ChatGPT. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.